Hey, what's up everybody? This is Coach G with a quick tutorial here on layer masking. We've got a image on the screen of a monkey that is tinted green, like the whole photo's tinted green. The original photo looks like this. As you can see in our layers panel, we have two layers. The green layer, which is what you're seeing now, and the original photo. All right, so with a layer mask, you're able to reveal and conceal parts of the image however you see fit for your particular project. So with the green layer selected, I'm going to add a layer mask by going down to the very bottom at the layers panel here. You can see this little tooltip pop up saying basically what a layer mask is. It's going to allow you to hide parts of your image and then bring them back at any time. This is non-destructive image editing, so it's not like you're just cutting something out or cropping it out, or just using an eraser tool or something. You'll be able to save and quit this file, open it back up, and adjust this mask as you see fit anytime. So I dropped the layer mask in there by pressing that button, and it appears all white. So nothing changes because white is going to reveal what is on this layer, on the green layer. So anything white, you're getting this green layer image. Anything that I paint with black, you're going to get what's underneath that image. So whatever's on that original photo is going to appear there. So I've got my brush tool selected. I can change the size up here, just adjusting the slider, or I could just use my left and right bracket keys to the right of P on the keyboard, and black being selected there. Again, brush is selected. I can paint away, or I shouldn't say paint. I can mask away some of that green. So all that essentially is doing is revealing the layer underneath, as I mentioned before. The layer underneath is just the natural photo, and you've got a monkey in his natural color with a green background photo. If for some reason you needed that, that is how you would do it. If you wanted to change colors of a car, if you wanted to change colors on anything you can think of, really, this is a quick, easy way to do it using a layer mask. I'm just masking out the green layer and revealing the original photo underneath. So within just a couple of minutes, you saw that. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If I ever want to get the green back on something that I erased, let's say I want his eyes to have that green. All I've got to do is go back to make sure my brush tool selected, make sure I'm painting on this layer mask, this white area, and flip it to white so I can reveal what is on that layer. So now you see I clicked a lot there and his eyes are green. I could adjust, I can zoom in with my zoom tool, and if I want to adjust some of the mask here, or not adjust, but if I wanted to fine tune it, I just get my black tool to remove that little excess green around the eye. Again, doing that same thing here, making sure always that our layer mask is selected, and I'll zoom back out, and there you go. You've got a monkey with some intense green eyes. The entire background is green, and it went from that, basically your original photo, to that. So that's a layer mask in just a couple of minutes. Peace out.